Thumbnail. All right, gonna make a fire grilled cheese today with sauteed mushrooms, some sriracha sausage, 3 cheeses. We got chipotle, cheddar, and manchego. So let's do this. I'm gonna start with just getting the mushrooms going first. Just a little olive oil. I'm using shiitake mushrooms. You could obviously use whatever you want with this. We're gonna try spreading the mayonnaise on the outside of the bread this time. I've always done butter, but I keep seeing mayonnaise and it looks really good. So maybe do a little butter on the inside. So we'll see. Just get that going. Cook these on a medium. Just a little bit of salt. And dash of pepper. I'm gonna let those get pretty crispy and brown. I kind of like them a little well done. And while that's going, I'm gonna start getting these all chopped up. Got some leftover manchego. I'm gonna cut this into some pieces that I'll spread around. Yeah, these are already going. All right, let's get some white cheddar out. Excited to try this chipotle cheddar. Super soft. Just trying to straighten this out. It's gonna be kind of a spicy one with the spicy sriracha as well as the chipotle cheddar, because this kind of has a kick to it also. Maybe a little bit more. Yes. Never can have enough cheese. And I'm gonna start heating up the cast iron now. Turn this down a bit, let those kind of just simmer and brown on their own. Now I don't know even how much I want to use of this. Cut off the end. Oh yeah. See, I kind of like mine once they kind of start getting a little, not overcooked, but definitely a little crispier. So Kush actually just posted his first video, kind of doing like a stir-fry ramen mixture, veggie hybrid. I'm gonna end up doing my own version of instant ramen, but making it gourmet probably tomorrow or something. But I think that's what's gonna be cool about this, is us doing really similar dishes, but totally different palates. Like he's gonna do his own tacos for the vegetarian world, and I'll do tacos for the meat eaters. So it should be cool. All right, those are pretty much where I like them. Now we got to kind of put this all together while that's getting hot and before it gets too hot. So let's try this mayonnaise method. So this is actually going to be the outside that I'm going to be putting on the pan instead of using butter on the outside. Might need a little bit more on this one. Flip you over and start piecing this together. No signs to this. Just making sure you cover the whole bread. You do a little layering. Chipotle cheddar, which I clearly cut up a good amount of. Then I'm going to bring in these sriracha sausages. Put my toppings kind of in the middle so that way the cheese melts together. Mushrooms on. I mean, look at that. I just grabbed all that mayonnaise. All right, let's finish off the rest of the cheese. Now I got the manchego chunks. This is getting nice and hot. Yeah, see, it's a little too hot. So I'll let that cool down a little bit. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna put a little butter on the inside. So why not? All right, my cast iron is kind of bowed, so I'm gonna move this butter around a little bit so it hits the bread. You can see it's already starting to melt around there. A little brown, but we'll take it. Some more butter down there. Now you wait. Turn that off. Oh yeah. Definitely cooked it a little much, but honestly that's like the mayonnaise and butter burning a little bit, but on the inside you got everything nice and gooey. Not much wrong with it. It's just cheese and bread and sausage. There you have it. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. Hope you hit that subscribe button. And look out for the next one. Okay, high five.